I'm having fun with this little clown, and I wanted to share it with you as I show you these little projects in the rough, put together from tattered pieces of paper to form playful accessories and costume pieces. I've always enjoyed the look of the Pierrot clown, and so I'm creating something very similar with the garment pieces by adapting it to my very own version, yet keeping in mind the original garment. And I'm using tattered pieces of paper. But I've also decided to add accessories. They're combinations of pressed paper pulp and paper strips, all coming together. My name is Rozani, and I love to sculpt with Papier Maché. Now, this particular little sculpture has a little parasol accessory, and I was inspired by these umbrellas that were created by Erika from Erika Sculpture, where we're collaborating with similar interests in these cute little umbrella sculptures. Now I decided to make a small one for my little clown using festive Mardi Gras themed colors with paper. Now this particular parasol is similar to the umbrella, but it doesn't have a handle, and it will need to be inserted into this little hand. Yet I was motivated by Erika's umbrellas that do have handles. You'll find that Erika will take you through a step-by-step technique using her creative methods and show you a variety of these little umbrellas. This little clown will be going to the Mardi Gras, where he'll have fun joining in the second line with his parasol. But there's still plenty more to go because it takes time to complete the details on the pieces. Meanwhile, it's been so much fun working on this little clown and his accessories. So thank you for having been here with me. And when you get a chance, please visit Erika's YouTube channel and tell her that Rozani sent you. Bye for now, and I'll see you next time.